Hi everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for July 2021. You can look this up for sun, moon, and rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to hear monthly updates and more oracle readings. I have also put a wishlist link in the description section below, and your contribution would help me to build more content and support my practice. So I have the cards laid out over here. I have changed the construct a little bit this time. So we have the main theme, what you need to release, something new coming this month. Then I have the two timelines. So we have the first half of the month and then we have the second half of the month. And we will get to understand the events that would happen during this timeline. And of course, we have the love reading for both singles and people who are in a relationship or married. Okay, so let's start with the main theme. Single ladies out there, your knight in shining armor is coming in your life. Of course, this means a new love interest for boys too. With Knight of Cups, some of you may discover a new hobby or a new passion. Star is also a beautiful healing card. So if you have been facing a block of emotions or some kind of anxiety, you would feel much lighter and less overwhelmed. These cards are bringing in that much required emotional balance. Let's move to what you need to release. So there is Eight of Swords, Here and Now, and Narrow Pathway. Pretty much in sync with the main theme. With Eight of Swords here, some of you may be feeling trapped, constrained, and unable to act on problems. Some of you may be feeling a bit hopeless and pessimistic, so much that you're missing out to enjoy your present. With this oracle card over here, it says Narrow Pathway. Some of you may be feeling you're walking on a tightrope. You may be feeling very restrained with limited options. Take one step at a time. This oracle card over here, Here and Now, is guiding you beautifully. Everything happens in the now, in the present. Only this moment counts. You have what it takes to handle anything today if you let go of the need to look into the future or reflect on the past. Be present and notice what's going around you. Be in the moment to create miracles in your life. So let's move to the next position. It is something new coming this month. We have Nine of Swords, Empress. I think this is by far one of the best horoscopes I've seen this July. If you've been going through any anxiety or you're overwhelmed, things are changing for better. There are moments in life when out of the blue, it would seem everything has been orchestrated by the universe for you. You will feel your troubles are vanishing easily and naturally. With Empress over here, there could be some money coming your way or some kind of abundance. Those who are wishing to be parents may hear of pregnancy news. Let's move to the monthly timeline. So let's see how the first half is looking like. We have Six of Cups, Seven of Wands, and Seven of Cups. You may come across some old nagging problem revisiting you, or this could mean that you may reach out to someone in the past to resolve a problem. You could also meet some childhood friend or relative wherein you may have a different viewpoint or relationship may be facing a challenge. With Eight of Swords here, don't let minor nagging issues bind you in inaction. And with Nine of Swords here, don't make mountain out of the molehill. Stay calm and take one step at a time. Things would work out. Some of you may also be getting into teaching kids. From kids, I would also like to add that you may face challenges in keeping up with their demands. Some could be unreasonable demands as well. Your child may also need some help in planning his or her goals, as currently there could be some kind of an ambiguity or a problem cropping up. For some, it could also mean that your past unfinished ambitions or dreams may start to disturb you. You may be feeling quite nostalgic. For some of you, may want to reinstate your childhood dreams and land them. Pretty much syncing with the main theme as we stated there. With Magician in reverse, do a recheck on if they are realistic or do you have proper knowledge to work on them. Also be careful of some kind of trickery. You may be dealing with some confusion and some unreliable people. Don't close any important deals till 20th of this month. Also be careful as there is a chance of losing some critical document or object. Let's see what's there in the second half. Things will start moving for you by second half of the month. I see some kind of recognition coming in from senior authorities. Some of you may be honored for your work done for the society. Some of you may also be promoted to a privileged position. With Empress, there could be increase in your finances as well. If you've invested your money, you would see higher return. Let's move to the love reading. Single folks, there could be a proposal. Some of you may be getting married or maybe getting deeply committed to someone. You may meet someone who shares similar values and beliefs. With Two of Swords here, looks like you may have to make a choice. It could be choice between two proposals. It could be choice between any situation. That's choosing your career and marriage, choosing between locations as you may need to relocate after marriage. I will take out one more card. I see some of you are bound to your past, or some of you may be forcing yourself to get into an alliance which may not make you happy. I feel there is some kind of an oppression over here. Eight of Swords reminds you to break the shackles and use your free will. Let's move to the relationship reading. That is, if you are in a relationship or married. There is Ace of Wands and Three of Cups. Good times ahead for you. Exciting social life and spending quality time with each other. So that's all for now. If you were able to resonate with this video, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Keep watching. Much love.